Welcome back. Today we'll be building up rates for reinforcement Y10. So I'll be sharing my screen now. We'll be building up rates for Y10 and we'll be looking at material costs, labor costs, and our overheads and profit. The cost of Y10 is 8,300 for one length. One length is 12 meters. The length is 12 meters. The weight, the length is 12 meters. The weight is 0.616 kilograms. The cost of our binding wire is 32,000 per 20 kg. Our labor cost, skilled is 10,000, semi-skilled is 5,000. Standard gang size is 2 skilled and 1 semi-skilled. Our overheads and profit is 15%. Our standard output for one gang is 0.388 tons. So we'll be starting our calculation for material cost. We want to know how many lengths we have in 1 ton. So 12 is the length of one bar. We'll be multiplying it by 0.616 kilograms. 0.616 is the weight of Y10. So once you multiply it together, it will give us 7.392 kg. Then the numbers per ton is, we'll be dividing 1000 divided by 7.392. It will give us 135.3 bars. So this is the number of length we have in 1 ton for Y10. The cost per ton is the cost per length is 8,300. To be able to know the cost for 1 ton, we'll be multiplying it by the number of lengths that we have, 135.3. So it's giving us 1,123,990 for 1 ton. Our binding wire, the standard usage is 8 kg per ton. The cost of 20 kg is 32,000. Once you divide it by 20, it will give us 1,600. To be able to know the required kg, which is 8, 16 multiplied by 8 is 12,800. So we are done with our binding wire. We'll be moving to our labor costs. The cost for one one skilled labor per day is 10,000. 2 skilled labor is required. 2 times 10,000 is 20,000. For a semi-skilled labor, 1 is required and his labor per day is 5,000. Once you sum them up, our sum total for our labor is 25,000. The work output for one gang is 0.388 tons. So once you divide 25 by this, it will give us 64,433 for our labor. So our direct cost, we'll be adding our material cost, binding wire cost, and our labor cost. The sum total is 1,201,223. 15% overheads and profit of this, it will give us 180,183. Once we add them together, it will give us 1,381,406. So these are costs, these are all-in rates for Y10. So these are all-in rates for Y10. Please If you have any question, please drop it at the comment box. Like, share, and subscribe. I will attend to it. Thanks for watching.